Temur Rakimov of Tajikistan.
Had a good run through, this man, and he is the world #1 at the moment, rankings. A lot of power between these two. And immediately there.
Whoop.
Oh, Yusupov just immediately locks up. Somebody's going to go here. We could see a massive hip on here, and again, Yusupov goes for it. Look at that.
ҳамватанони азиз, агар шумо хоҳиши гузаштани границаро доред, шумо намедонед ки бо ки раведу бароҳат равед, акай Абдукарим дар хизматонай.
Салому алейкум. Аллоҳ насиб кунад, сиҳат саломат дар сарҳад гаштем бародаро хати. Мақсад бачакои нахчон акамшонина шав гузаштак бе гап, бе ягон проблема. Бародаромон тамоман просрочены бе документ буд. Ба пеш. Гап нест.
Wow. Not sure I'm going to come off the best here. Almost turns it. I just get a feeling that Yusupov's going to go right the way in any second now. Any second with the Sodi movement.
Both fighters pick up penalties for passivity. I don't know. I'd have left it a little bit longer. There was a bit of action to begin with.
Yeah,
wasn't there?
no, well, there was.
Bit of tension.
Yeah. Do you count them as big attacks there? They were loaded up in potential hip-on throws, weren't they?
I mean, it wasn't as though they were, you know, unattractively walking around. There was tension there. They were going to work it out themselves. And I think ducking underneath, maybe.
I think he did duck.
Oh, just grab below the belt. One or the other.
He was right on it as well, wasn't he,
yeah.
there, the referee? Yeah, he could see it. It's like he said, look, I can see you doing it.
So a second penalty picked up by Yusupov, and I think that's going to force him, if he needed any other, if he needed any other invitation. He just hasn't got the power as it is. You just saw that.
Well, I knew it was going to be a strong fight, you know, and a physical fight. And like you say, Yusupov looks to me as if he is a lighter heavyweight. And when you get to, the big men like Rakimov and Teddy Renier and things like that, they are huge.
This is a big guy, Rakimov, big and strong. Yusupov, to his credit, thought, well, I'll give this a go in that first exchange.
Still think he's going to go for it. I think he's going to go for the Sodi, and there it is.
If he gets into the right position, he can bury him. Because he's got the speed. Head's getting pulled down here. Oh, he's going to go.
Oh, what a technique that was! Massive Soto there, and wow, Rakimov buries him. Yusupov was taking the chances, I've got to say. He, like you said, he looked like he was going to pop the Sodi across there.
Well, you picked up the Sodi, I thought.
Well, and he did, didn't he? He was going to pop the Sodi across, and then in the end, the bigger, stronger man there has a little go at the Soto, but he climbs on top of it this time. World #1, world rank #1. And I think we'd better say that. And he just climbs on top of that final then in the end with a massive hip-on.
Yeah, I'm afraid for Yusupov that the only thing I picked up was when he was going to go. Yep, you are #1. We've just given you that accolade, don't worry. You're the man. And it was a good finish, actually. Really
great finish to a final block that needed a little bit of hip-on injection. Look at that Soto, and he chases it as well. Absolutely chases it. There's the Kosoto. Was it Kosoto or Ouchi? Oh, it was Ouchi.
Yeah.
I thought it was Kosoto. It was Ouchi Gary there, and throws it in. Look at it from there, and he catches the midsection there with the right hand. That was a beautiful execution. Absolutely amazing. Look at the hips turn, and then that right arm goes over, the left arm over the top there to control the head. And he just throws his whole body forwards there, and he says, what do you think about that?
Yep, so there was a little Koichi to set it up, and then the Ouchi is what brought him down.
Yeah, wow, what an execution that was. Talk about opportune stuff. And that right arm, I love the right arm round the back of the waist there, round the waist, and he pulls the waist in. The left arm was over the top of the left shoulder.
канали мо дар сомонаи YouTube ҳамнаво обуна шав ва аз видеоҳои нав бохабар бош.